Hi guys, what is up? Today we are going to be doing a bike service because, well, let's just say I got a little bit carried it away into the mountain biking last night. I didn't get any of it on camera because, for one, I didn't have no one there with me except for Nitro. And two, well, yeah, so I didn't have no one down there except for me. And let's just say I may have or may have not sent my bike down a pretty good hill. So the handlebars got tweaked. I fixed those at the woods, beating it on a tree. That's fixed. Chain needs to be serviced. And make sure everything's good. I know the shifter, it's messed up. My foot pegs got beat up a little. It's a pretty gnarly hill. So you go up a hill probably about that steep, and then you go up a ledge that goes like this, and then you have to wheelie your front tire over that, and then you have to keep hammering it, giving it all you have to get it up over that. And if you don't feel confident doing it, then you won't be able to do it. Like, seriously though, if you aren't comfortable or confident, you won't be able to do it. It is back there with the cows, so I got a little cow crap on my tires, so that's okay. I confungled with crossing it through the creek. That was another disaster. Then I decided because I crossed the creek really well, and then I was a dummy and decided to, that went really well. Let's try to ride through the creek, like along in the creek. So I did that, and I did good going to where I was going to turn around in the creek because there was an island, and then it just turned into an absolute disaster. I mean, a complete disaster. I had to go over a bunch of rocks in it, and it was a disaster. So this is just going to be quick 10-15 minute bike service video, and then hopefully later today, I'm sorry I haven't been posting because I have nothing to post about. So that is why I have not been posting much, because I just have nothing to post about. Dirt pile's fine, everything's fine. It's my dad's birthday. One comment to wish him happy birthday. And then I guess that's all you need to really do. I don't know if I've already said this, but I'm hoping once my mom gets home that we can ride down there and she can video me going up it. Sorry, it's so windy. This is what we'll be using on the bearings. Kimball Midwest. Get this wheel bearing. I can get the straw on there. And the other sketchy part is going down the hill. My back brakes are trash, so that's a sketchy thing to do now, to go downhill. The next time we go to Walmart, I'm gonna try to get my mom to I'm gonna try to convince my mom to get me more of these so I can have another headlight over there, but also get another tail light like that one. But I can't put it there because of my cup holder. So I just thought, you can't see it there anymore. So what about just using it as underglow? Because I think that would look really sick on this. So I did, but I need this one like that, and another one like that over there. But that just works for now. It shines up on through there and stuff, makes that glow red. So that's good enough for me, for now. Not really, but it's good enough for now. Oh yeah, on the chain, same Kimball Midwest, but it's grease, penetrating grease. Come on. I do a terrible job at this. Always have. Maybe I should switch hands. There. Switched hands. There. For the hill that I'm doing, I do run this bike And I do run a pretty high gear just because I need the speed and I can't downshift fast enough so I could like get a lot of speed, and then once I lose that torque in the high gear, I can't downshift it fast enough, so I just keep it in a low gear and try to get all the speed that I could get for it. Let me go down there now too. Why do I do this kind of crap? Like, I don't know. If y'all get me to 1,000 subscribers, like you tell your friends, and then their friends tell the other friends, and then they tell everyone else. Get me to 1,000 subscribers, and I can start making some money, and maybe eventually I can get a new mountain bike, and I can get a new camera, and I can get a camera and everything, because right now all I have to film with is my iPhone. Like, I could use my mom's iPhone because I put her account linked with my account. There it is. So I could do that. But my mom's not home on the weekends. And she's always texting her friend, Valerie. And it's super annoying. She won't do anything else except for that. She won't do anything for me. Yeah, this how scuffed up that is now. I'll tell you how much I dropped that because I couldn't get off it. So I had to just drop it. She's pretty, up. But that's okay. This bike is actually really old. My dad is turning 44. Dang it. And he got this when he was 14. Because he had a job in Romney, Indiana. If any of you know, I live there. You all should know the old Romney lawnmower shop. He used to work on engines and stuff there. And he lived in Romney at that time with his mom. So he got a job there, and he needed something to get back and forth. So he saved up his money from the job, bought that brand new in I think 95, because he was born in 83. So I don't know, in that time frame. He got this thing. And then the old lawnmower shop sadly burnt down to the ground. There goes our old hay mower. So he started going back and forth. Then since the lawnmower shop burnt down, he saved up enough money. He bought him his first vehicle. It was a K10 half-ton 2-wheel drive square body neon orange gasser. It was a piece of junk and he got it. So he got that. And after he got that, a few years later, he got another job. And then after he got that other job, he saved up his money again, rebuilt that truck, and then after he did that, still had the bike and everything. So he thought he started getting into mountain biking like I am. Imagine that. So he did get into mountain biking. Then, after he got into that, he took it to France Park. I don't know where it is, but it's called France Park. You could look it up. I think it's in Indiana. I'm not sure. Took it there. Went on mountain bike trails. He wasn't riding with no one. Riding by himself. Going down a hill. Goes off a jump. He thought it would be good to lean forward going down that jump and be on the brakes when he lands on that jump. And he went over the handlebars and yeah. So he was done with bicycles after that. So after that, he just kind of fell out of it and not really into it anymore. That's the story on this bike. It's never left the family. He got it brand new. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm going to wax it or anything with it. I may not have to. I'm actually going to just go down there now, I think. Show you guys the hill. I'm going to let the dogs out first. If this video gets to 30 minutes or anything before that, then it's gonna be canceled. I'll just have to make it short. Because, yeah, YouTube won't let me post videos that long yet. Like an hour long. I'd love to, but can't do that yet. Half hour, that's good enough for me. I'm gonna try to get Kane to come, and then we go up and down the hill. But he has to get used to the maroon bike over there. So after that, I have a little starter hill he can go on. This bike, because he's shorter than me on this bike. Yep, video's already 20 minutes long, so on this bike, if he falls, he's busting his nuts. So I'm gonna end this one off because I don't have nothing else to do except for go down and show you guys the hill. I may do that, I may not, I don't know. Like and subscribe. Bye.